Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are exploring the investment strategies and principles of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Join us as we uncover the key insights from the Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hangstrom. Principle 1, Value Investing Philosophy. The importance of long-term thinking over short-term fluctuations. Value investing, as advocated by Warren Buffett, involves identifying companies whose intrinsic value exceeds their current market price. Buffett looks for companies with solid financials, strong management, and sustainable competitive advantages. Principle 2, Economic Moats. Illustrate how economic moats protect businesses and lead to sustainable profits. Economic moats refer to the competitive advantages that enables a company to maintain its market position and fend off competitors. These advantages can include brand loyalty, patents, cost advantages, network effects, and regulatory barriers, among others. Principle 3, Margin of Safety. Explain the concept of margin of safety in investing, where the purchase price is below the intrinsic value. Show how Buffett mitigates risk by investing with a margin of safety. The margin of safety is a central concept in Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. It refers to the difference between the intrinsic value of a stock and its market price. Lesson 4, Focus on intrinsic value. Define intrinsic value as the true worth of a company based on its fundamentals. Intrinsic value represents the real underlying value of a company based on its fundamentals such as earnings, assets, and growth potential. Discuss Buffett's emphasis on calculating intrinsic value to make informed investment decisions. Lesson 5, Long-term perspective. Buffett advocates for a patient approach to investing, prioritizing the long-term growth potential of a company over short-term market volatility. Maintaining a long-term perspective, investors can ride out temporary downturns and benefit from the power of compounding in returns. Principle 6, Rational Decision Making. Highlights the importance of thorough research and analysis before making investment decisions. Rational decision making is a cornerstone of Buffett's investment approach. It involves conducting thorough research, analyzing data, and weighing the pros and cons before making any investment decisions. Principle 7, Circle of Competence. Buffett's principle of the circle of competence advises investors to focus on industries and companies within their area of expertise. By staying within their circle of competence, investors can make more informed decisions based on their knowledge and understanding of the business. Principle 8, Management Quality. Management quality is a crucial factor in Warren Buffett's investment strategy. It's look for companies led by honest, competent, and shareholder-friendly management teams. Management can drive a company's success, allocate capital effectively, and navigate challenges with integrity. You have it, 8 timeless principles from the Buffett Way. By applying these insights, you can build a successful investment portfolio and achieve long-term wealth and prosperity. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy investing. Signing off, Maheshwari.